Hey guys, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grisso, and we have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is an amazing 17 Hyundai Certified Tucson. Very, very nice SUV. With wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors, and roof rails already installed. That's a great feature to have, guys. With an easy access tailgate, this all-wheel drive SUV is an amazing vehicle, but let me show you some more on the inside features. All right, coming to the back of this Tucson here, you're going to see we have the privacy shade up. It's good for keeping all your valuables safe. With one flick of the wrist, it goes right back in. Loads of cargo room in the back of this vehicle. Plenty of room for boxes, bags, furniture, whatever you need. And underneath, we also have a spare tire with all the tools. Coming to the back row here, you're going to have the super soft, super comfortable gray cloth interior. As you can see, it looks great and it's very, very comfortable. You can sleep on this stuff if you have to. And then in the front, we have power seating, little LED display up here that's going to be for your radio, your phone, and your backup camera. Some cruise control settings on this side of the wheel, as well as some audio control settings. And there's so many other great features about this vehicle, but you have to come check it out in person. All right, everyone, I'd love to show you more about this Tucson in person. Again, my name is Sterling Grisso. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. If you guys want to drive somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we are your dealership, but this is your SUV.